What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your Instagram profile URL link. Right now, once you're inside Instagram, just go ahead and click your profile picture on the lower right hand side, and then you will see share profile. So go ahead and click on share profile. You will see the option there to copy link. So go ahead and press the copy link option there, and as you can see, the link is copied. And then you want to minimize and open up your browser. Once you open your browser, type in the search field there. You just want to paste and you will see the link. No, this is the long link with some random letters there. But if you backspace for a while, guys, until you see the question mark right before your profile, your username, you will see that now that's your profile. Now, as you can see, it says instagram.com/your username. That's going to be your URL for your account. So you can simply go ahead and hit enter, and if it goes to Instagram and find your page, then this will be your URL for your profile. So that's it guys, that's how you can easily find out your Instagram profile URL link. And I really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much, and see you next time.